We thank God for all the prayers that were offered during the times of our youth and youthful exuberance. And today we are grateful, we're thankful to God that He has called us to be where we are. And Your Excellency and any other member of the diplomatic corps who may be here, I am here as the Minister responsible for the Civil Service. I'm also here to offer the apologies of members of Cabinet as Chair of the Cabinet. They are in Bunda on government duties, presenting our rengu-rengu to the late Bunda on behalf of the government. Also this morning I was waiting to go to a funeral service in Nasese for my great-grandchildren's grandfather. But the timing didn't work out, so I missed out that one because I didn't want to miss out on this one at 1 o'clock. I'd like to congratulate all those that have been involved in the preparation for this service today and the Civil Service, and also for the main events during the conference of the Methodist Church in Fiji, Nandotoma. It was not an annual event, not so long ago. I mean, the civil servants participating. I have been involved in the choir competition for many years. I've been a member of a choir a few times, but I was one of the guides that guided the choirs in, made sure they were on time, and now I'm here launching the civil servants choirs civil service in preparation for the choir singing at the Methodist Church Conference meeting. I thank Bill and Lacey for their addresses. And I would want to stress today the importance of prayer. 2 weeks ago I was at the launching or the groundbreaking ceremony for the Fiji Pine and the Fiji Pine factory in Nrasa in Lotok. At that time we hadn't heard of the fate of the 7 members of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services and the boatmaster who had been reported missing on Wednesday afternoon. Thursday morning, while at the function, I got a message that the boatmaster was found, had swum ashore and was safe. But he said that there were 6 others still at sea. I was being introduced at the time. We had finished the devotion in the morning. So I wrote in the back of the program a request to be sent to the Taltala who had performed the prayer earlier on, and asked him, Taltala, Gatal Mandana Mas, sa kunin dua e alituka leon. He nodded to me when he read the message, got up. As he got up, I took off my salsalu and we prayed. In the evening, word came that they had been found. I called the Tal again, thanked him for his prayers. Saturday morning we were about to tee off at golf. I called the group that I was slotted to play with, including Honorable Nopoto. I said, let's offer prayer. Some are still lost at sea. We prayed, and at the prize giving in the afternoon, Honorable Nopoto came to me, sir, they have been found. So I encourage us all, whatever situation you're going through, pray. It helps all the time. As we prepare to take part in the singing, whether it's a competition or just singing to the glory of God, do so with a heart full of thanksgiving. You'll find that you sing better. This is only a part of our work and your career as servants of the people, servants of the government. My father went to the Wilew, and his teacher then told him something about service. They said, "Ni nomuni tavi na vengravi, ni nomuni togo na vengravi." Nang kasi ni banga, rom balew. Nang tong kasi buli na tamangu, nang ano buli kasi buli tuki na mende Wilew no na. It was a long time ago. What he told me, let it not be a role. Let it be your life. Nika kuni tagula, menomuni togo, mavengravi. That's what we are. We are servants of the people. We are servants of the nation. Whether we are singing in a choir, sitting in an office, or running errands for the buses, do it with all your might. Do it as your role, as your duty, to your people, to the people you serve, but most importantly, to the God that you worship. That way, all these will all be part of our Wednesday afternoon wellness program. You feel good, you feel great enough to serve greatly for a great nation and a group of great people we call Fijians. God bless you all.